This is the weekly weather briefing for Monday, October 6, 2014. This briefing will cover the weather for the upcoming week across the inland Northwest. As always, forecasts are subject to change, so please check our website during the week for updated information. Overall, the weather will remain quiet for most of the week with dry conditions and above normal temperatures expected through Friday. A pattern change is expected for this weekend. A plume of moisture may impact the region, bringing rain, possibly heavy, to the Cascades and Idaho Panhandle. Elsewhere, a chance of rain is expected. Winds will also be on the increase. This is an infrared satellite image showing the current pattern. High pressure is deflecting the jet stream north of the region into British Columbia, giving the inland Northwest dry conditions and above normal temperatures. However, we are monitoring the remnants of Typhoon Fanvon as well as Typhoon Vongfang. This moisture will get picked up by the jet stream and may impact the region this weekend into early next week. Here is the graphic showing the forecasted jet stream from the GFS model for next weekend. A strong jet stream is expected to track into Washington and North Idaho. This pattern will favor windy conditions in the mountains, with exposed areas possibly gusting to at least 40 to 50 miles per hour. For the open country of the Columbia Basin, Palouse, and West Plains, wind gusts of 30 to 40 miles per hour are possible. In addition to the winds, an atmospheric river of moisture may enter the region. There is some uncertainty as to where this moisture plume sets up. The graphic shown here shows this plume of moisture aimed at Washington, Oregon, and Idaho. However, another model not shown here tracks this moisture plume just north of the area into southern British Columbia. If this moisture plume gets aimed at the area, heavy rain would be possible for the Cascades and Idaho Panhandle. Downslope flow off the Cascades will bring just a chance of rain to central and eastern Washington. Looking at the 7-day forecast for Wenatchee in central Washington, we see the temperatures near record high levels today. The forecast here is from early this morning, and as of 2 p.m., Wenatchee reached 88 degrees. The all-time warmest temperature for the month of October for Wenatchee is 90 degrees. Gradual cooling is expected through the week, but with temperatures remaining above normal. The dashed lines for high and low temperatures represent normal values for this time of year. Looking at the 7-day forecast for Lewiston, Idaho, we see a similar story with temperatures well above normal today, then gradually cooling through the week but remaining above normal. The Climate Prediction Center 8 to 14-day outlooks call for normal temperatures and increased odds of wetter than normal conditions. Here is a summary of the significant weather over the next week. No weather impacts are expected through Friday. Then over the weekend, rain, possibly heavy, is expected for the Cascade Crest and Idaho Panhandle. Thus, we are monitoring the threat of debris flows over the burn scars, mainly for the Cascade Crest. Breezy to windy conditions are also expected over the weekend. Here's how you can stay informed and get the latest information from the National Weather Service Spokane Forecast Office. Check us out on Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. Thanks for tuning in to this weekly weather briefing.